Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open your ARLO Pro 5 camera. To open this camera, you want to look at the bottom where you can see this here button. You want to press firmly on it until it pops out. Then use your fingers to pull it out. And as you can see, this is the case, and this is the rest of the camera. The battery is visible right here. You can pull it out, although it may require some force. And you can see this. Then you can put the battery back in. Just make sure that the pins are aligning with this here. Push it in. And then push the rest of the camera inside of the case. You'll have to use quite a bit of force until you hear a click. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.